Domestic engineer mostly I like the discount you revived by noon online. TV service was great in the room, linens, etc. Very clean. Very clean staff, very friendly. Great. Great hotel, very clean. The reception was very helpful and great customer service. I love, would greatly recommend this place for you and your family. Great clean room and price. We will be back again soon. Ursula at the front desk was very present when checking in on Saturday, October 12th. Our first floor room with king bed was clean and nice. We will be back again soon. Motel 6, Elk Grove Village, Illinois. Great customer service, very clean, staff is very friendly, there are a store close by that you can walk to them. I definitely recommend this hotel and for sure plan to book here again within my next travels. Nice room, great price, clean room none. Excellent, get what you pay for. Never going back to this place. I wouldn't go back here. Booked online and when I arrived they told he didn't see my booking, which was a lie because I was just at another Motel 6 and didn't get this type of behavior.